fucking rain.
Yeah,
Fucking nasty ass rain.
oh my lord.
No. Fucking literally, you're gonna fucking melt out here. Shit's fucking ridiculous. How's it gonna Holy shit. Holy shit, holy shit. What the fuck? Oh no. Oh my gosh, man. It's got fucking soaked.
Ridiculousness. That
Yep, somebody stole the fucking propane tank already. Motherfuckers. Got this nasty ass. Look at this fucking couch. It's from like the 1970s. It's a fucking couch bed, man. They expect people to sit on this shit here. Hey, work out, get super sweaty, and then go ahead and sit on this nice couch. It's fucking disgusting. Piece of shit fucking fireplace doesn't work. Oh, look, we got extension cords in there for our Christmas lights. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, we got a table in here too. Because, you know, you need a table to work out. Remember, this is a gym. Yes, it's a gym. Oh my lord. Yeah, here, join us. Oh my gosh, you guys. Fucking losers. Took all the fucking exercise equipment. All of it. Look at it. Thanks. And then somebody else fucking jacked the weights. The dude. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. Just last night there was fucking like 6 sets of weights in there. Oh, I forgot about the fucking whatever you call it, fucking ball. The fucking firewood should be. Oh my god, it's fucking this is shitty. 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 Guess I'm staying here for the next fucking hour. I ain't going nowhere. Like I say, bye. Get that fucking table out of my way. What the fuck, dude?
like, hold up a second.
Alright, deuces, motherfuckers. No, I'm not smoking weed in here. You're not supposed to smoke weed in here. No smoking. No smoking. No smoking in the exercise. See? Yeah. I'm not even allowed to fucking be in here. Oh, I forgot.